Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to our Python programming language series. In this series, we are going to solve a new problem, program or problem number 9. Already we have covered 8 videos. Please cover those 8 videos. If you are not seen, please cover them. They are very good problems for the basics who are starting the Python programming language, very new. Okay, we need to write a Python program write a Python program to tell whether we should read a number basically. We should read a number basically, and we need to tell it whether the given number is even or not, basically even or not. Okay, we'll give a number. So number, and what is the data type of the number? Because it is a number, basically it is an integer, right? And we should tell whether the given number is even or odd. Sorry, even or not means we should tell true or false. Given number is even, true or not, true or false. Okay, now what is a even number? A number a number which is which is divisible by 2. Am I correct? A number which is divisible by 2, it is known as a even number. For example, 4. How you will tell if it is divisible by not? 2 twos are 4, remainder is 0. Then it is divisible. Again, 2, 9, 2 fours are 8, 1. It is not divisible. So 9 is not a even number. Similarly, 12, 2 6 are 12. So remainder is 0. So 12 is an even number. So whenever a number is divisible, you will get, whenever you are getting this divisibility, these things, check the remainder only. Remainder, if remainder is 0, it is divisible. If remainder is not 0, it is not divisible. Next, how to get the remainder? We have one operator known as mod operator. By using the mod operator, you will get the remainder. So by the remainder, we will get by using mod operator, you will get the remainder. Now see, the process is, we need to find remainder basically. And if remainder is equal to 0, we need to find the remainder. And if remainder is equal to 0, then it is an even number, or else it is a some other number. Basically it is not an even number if remainder is not 0. So if you write a Python program, just see, we'll read a number. The number is integer, so that int of input of, yeah, am I clear? Int of input of, we'll get an input as an integer. Next, we should process it. What the process we need to do? C is equals to number number mod 2, number mod 2 equal to 0. We should check whether it is the remainder. When you divide by 2, the remainder is 0 or not. If it is 0, print C. Print C. If it is 0, it will print true. If it is not 0, it will print false. Okay, that's all. The program is very simple. Just we'll check. Just we'll check some number. Number is equals to int of int of input of. We are reading the number basically. After reading the number, what we should do? See, our result is equals to number mod 2 equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, print given number is even or not, even or not, comma, just write the result. Now let's check. If I give number some 10, is it even number? Given number is even or not? True means given number is even. So here also I am giving some text. Enter a number. Enter a number. So if I give 9, basically I haven't turned on the screen. Just see the screen. Just I wrote the Python program. Let me write it from scratch once more. 1 minute. Stop the program or execute. Okay. Let me stop and let me run one more time. Number is equals to int of input of, and we need to do some results. C is equals to, within the brackets, number mod 2 equal to 0. Then next, print C. Am I correct? Am I correct? Now just see. Now it is asking one number. I am giving 10. 10 is a even number, right? So that it will tell true. if if I give a number something like 9 or 11, it will tell false. So to make it clear, let we introduce some text. enter a number, enter a number, and in print, what we are doing means given number is even or not, comma. Let me check. For example, if I give number 11, given number is even or not, false means it is not an even number. For example, if I give 4, it is an even number, so it will tell given number is even or not, true, so it is a even number. That's all. This is the code. It is very simple. Now, if you like it, if you understand, please give me a like and comment. Okay, thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video.